Hello again everybody, welcome to Vlog USA. As usual, this is Hero, and in case you guys wondering like what am I doing out here in the snow, well because we're gonna do something quite special with the Anime Group 2030s for tomorrow. It is our annual ski trip. So the plan is we're going to Breckenridge, and a friend of ours, Rahul, he already got an Airbnb, and the plan is we're gonna spend 3 days and 2 nights over there. So the first day, which is Friday, some of us gonna go skiing, but some of us gonna do some snowshoeing. So I'm gonna do snowshoeing as well. It's gonna be like a 3 hours long trail. It's called the Three Huts Trail, starting from the Nordic Hut at 9 a.m. That's the plan tomorrow. But we're gonna plan to leave for around 6:30 in the morning, because it's gonna take about like an hour and a half or two depending on the traffic. And then on Saturday we're gonna do some snowmobiling. It's gonna be like a 2 hours tour, basically riding the snowmobile. I did that a couple of years ago and it was pretty fun. It's a bit swayy, but you know, still it's exciting. And then on Sunday we're just gonna hang at the cabin and probably, you know, just take a dip over at the at the hot tub. The cabin has a hot tub, so that's kind of awesome. And I still need to pack because I haven't packed at all. Still need to try to find my, you know, thermal wear, jackets and stuff like that. I did bought some food already, so excited for this trip. So let's pack. Alright, I'm ready to pack now. So usually for a ski trip like this, you know, like it is very cold up there in the mountains, so like there are several gears that you know, like you have to always bring if you want to be comfortable up there doing like all of the winter activities. So like me myself, you know, like I usually always bring like a thermal shirt, kind of like this, like what I'm wearing here. I mean, it does kind of retain your warmth, your body warmth basically, and it helps kind of, you know, makes you feel comfortable doing all that in the snow. My favorite is of course, you know, like the coveralls here for skiing. So I like this type better because you know, like as you can see, it's almost like a you know, work coveralls here. I can easily just kind of take the top off later on and just walk with the really thick pants here. So you know, like I've been using this for several snow trips, and this always works fine. And of course, like underneath, I always wear like you know, like thermal pants too underneath. Makes it like super comfortable. And of course, you know, like gloves is super important. And you know what this is? It's a thermal socks. So this goes on top of your regular socks. Super important. And it's warm, but it's breathable, so it doesn't add to like the weight of your gears, because winter activities are so redundant, I guess. Like you have to wear layers and layers and layers of clothing. Not the most comfortable, because you know, it's somewhat restricting, but it is what it is. If you want to be warm, you have to kind of like layer up. But nowadays, actually, you know, I'm glad that somebody invented, you know, like this sort of air-filled jacket here. Like there's like pockets of air in between for insulation. I mean, it's like really lightweight. So I'm glad, because you know, it does takes the weight away a little bit. And of course, you know, snow. People usually don't wear that you know, there's a thing called snow blindness, and like snow goggles, super important. Like no matter what you do up there, like either skiing, snowmobiling, snow hiking, like this would protect your eyes. So you know, I always have this. And what else? Oh, you know what? I want to show you my snowshoe. Not snowshoe. Yeah, snowshoe. There. Look how big this thing is. It looks like a boat. I bought this about maybe 3 years ago, so I've been using it for snow hiking quite often actually. But like over the years, I felt that it's like not the most comfortable because it's like so big like this. I don't, and it feels like it's dragging my feet. So for tomorrow's snow hiking, I'm just gonna rent it, I guess. I mean, it's just like $5 for the whole day. And at least at the other place that I used to rent with a friend, I don't know how much they charge over at Nordic Center, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And also I usually always have in my bag like this spikes that you can attach to your boots. Usually if the terrain is somewhat slippery and you are not wearing your snowshoe, then this could help a lot. It makes a lot of difference. I'm doing some YouTube video too. I just got like this pretty simple device here to protect my phone when I'm taking videos. This is like the first time actually I'm gonna bring my DJI Osmo up there, and the temperature can be like really low. Usually, you know, like my phone sometimes doesn't work up there because of the temperature, because it could hit like minus. So let's see, maybe that thing helps, keeps the temperature of the phone so that it doesn't froze. And that's that, I guess. In addition to like your regular house clothing and then food, of course. I usually always pack like super simple food. You know, it's the stuff that you can heat up in the microwave. Make it easy, make it fast, but still nutritional, because it's like protein packed. So that's why I also bring with me like protein bars and stuff like that for quick, you know, quick snacks. What else? So yep, I guess that's it. So I'm about to put all that stuff in one bag, and then we're just gonna wait for Rahul to pick us up tomorrow. So have a good night. Let's check out what's inside of this cabin. So interesting. It said Willkommen. That's welcome in Germany. It's from 1870s. Knock knock.
Welcome home.
Welcome home. Oh, hi Shardy. Hi Alfredo.